I'll give you the smaller half.
Okay, ready?
3,
2.
1. Yeah. That's a very sad banana.
I'm Anya Moore. You can call me Anyah or A. I'm 13 years old.
I'm Francesca. I'm turning 16.
I'm African American with mixed with Italian and Puerto Rican.
And I'm Puerto Rican, Cuban, and Dominican.
Today, I'm making guacamole.
I'm making white rice, chicken cutlet, maduras, and tostones. Things that make me happy: my family, my friends. I do newspaper, drama club, and I do musical club.
Happiness, basketball, running track, acting, modeling, filming, YouTube, Netflix, cooking, and dancing. So middle school is like a lot of, what can I say in a good way? A lot of drama.
Is there anything you're scared of about going into high school?
No, because at the end of the day, I'm a cool person, so no one should bother me.
Have you started to think about what major in college you might be going into?
Maybe going to the FIT college over here for fashion.
What part of the fashion world would you want to do, like merchandising or designing?
Graphic design. Is your thing supposed to be bubbling like this?
It's called simmering. If I could be super famous for anything, I would want to be known for social justice and changing the world. Because, you know, everyone says, oh, everyone's equal, but they're really not. Adults say, oh, you don't know what you're talking about because you're a kid. Well, yeah, but you're the person who thinks they know everything and nothing's happening. I feel pretty confident in everything that I made.
I feel good. I know my stuff is on point. I'll give myself a 9.5. You don't want to give yourself a 10 and it's not good.
It's spicy.
I would describe myself being spicy because I love to stir the pot. Without a spice, it's not good. It's boring, plain.
Cooking's a language that technically everybody speaks. Cooking with other people just brings everybody together. You really get to know each other through each other's cooking skills.